Drug addiction is a complex issue. It impacts millions globally. Imagine a spiderweb silently ensnaring its victim. That's addiction, gradually tightening its grip on individuals, families, and communities. It doesn't discriminate, affecting people of all ages, backgrounds, and walks of life. The consequences are devastating, leading to health problems, shattered relationships, and societal harm. Many people view addiction as a choice, a sign of weakness. This is a dangerous misconception. Addiction is a disease, a chronic condition that changes brain chemistry and behavior. It's like having a broken compass, constantly pulling you in the wrong direction, making it incredibly difficult to break free. Understanding addiction as a disease is the first step toward effective prevention and treatment. We need to move beyond stigma and judgment, embracing empathy and support for those affected. This essay delves into the science behind addiction, its impact on individuals and society, and most importantly, the hope that exists for recovery. Imagine your brain as a complex circuit board. Drugs, like faulty wiring, disrupt this delicate system, particularly the reward pathway. This pathway, responsible for feelings of pleasure and motivation, becomes flooded with dopamine, the feel-good chemical, when drugs are consumed. This surge of dopamine creates a powerful sense of euphoria, a temporary escape from reality. The brain, however, is wired to seek balance. With repeated drug use, it adapts to these artificial dopamine surges, reducing its natural production and making it harder to experience pleasure without the drug. This is where tolerance develops. Individuals need higher doses to achieve the initial high, further reinforcing the addictive cycle. Simultaneously, the brain regions responsible for decision-making, impulse control, and learning are also affected, making it challenging to break free from compulsive drug-seeking behavior. It's crucial to remember that addiction is not a character flaw, but a complex interplay of biological, psychological, and social factors. The impact of drug addiction extends far beyond the individual. It casts a long shadow over families, communities, and the world. Statistics paint a grim picture of this global crisis. Millions are currently struggling with substance use disorders, leading to broken homes, lost productivity, and strained healthcare systems. The economic burden is staggering, costing billions annually in healthcare expenses, law enforcement efforts, and lost potential. Drug-related crime rates soar, fueling violence and instability within communities. The ripple effects are profound, impacting education, employment, and overall societal well-being. Behind these statistics are real people, each with a story of struggle and loss, families torn apart, individuals robbed of their potential, and communities grappling with the devastating consequences. Addressing this crisis demands a multi-pronged approach, combining prevention, treatment, and social support. We must invest in research, education, and accessible treatment options to break the cycle of addiction and heal the wounds it inflicts. While the grip of addiction is strong, it is not unbreakable. Recovery is possible. It is a journey that requires courage, support, and a belief in the possibility of change. Just as addiction affects the brain, recovery rewires it, restoring balance and empowering individuals to reclaim their lives. Treatment options vary depending on the severity of the addiction and individual needs. These can include detoxification, counseling, medication-assisted treatment, and support groups. Each plays a crucial role in addressing the physical, psychological, and social aspects of addiction. Support systems are paramount. Families, friends, and support groups provide a lifeline, offering encouragement, understanding, and a sense of belonging. Recovery is not a straight line. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way. But with each step forward, hope grows stronger, paving the way for a brighter, healthier future. Let's remember that addiction does not define a person. It is a chapter in their story, not the entire narrative.